What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a 2009 Toyota Corolla. We're gonna replace the side mirror. I'm gonna show you guys how to take out the panel and everything, and it should be an easy job. So this customer got hit by some car. There's an accident damage there, but she wants to do this on her own. So a few things we gotta take out is we're gonna pop this cover off, we're gonna pop this little guy off. We got a Phillips head screwdriver in there, Phillips head screw in there, and a screw in here. This guy simply just comes right off, just like that. Okay, as you can see, there's gonna be like a little clip there. Okay, this thing is very easy to take off. So we cannot get to that connector. It's all the way down there. I wish they had put that connector over here. Should have been much easier, but there's sometimes you gotta remove the whole thing. Anyways, let's get to this door panel. So we're gonna use this pick to get this guy off. So one hand, magic, gotta get done with the one hand today. So I'll just kind of move this back and I'll poke this guy out of there. Whoops, there you go. That thing just comes right out and it will clip right back in there. And then we got our screw right down there. We're also gonna open this little guy. There you go. Okay, and in my pocket here we got a Phillips head driver here. This thing is just sitting there. It's not even okay. It's coming up. There you go. And that's that. We're gonna get to this one. You can see right in there. It's hard to see, but it's in there. After that, we're just gonna yank on this whole thing right here, and that comes off. 2 screws. Let me get the other one out too. For some reason this screw is kind of not like doing what it's supposed to do. It's like in there. It's in there. Maybe it needs to come off a couple of more threads. There you go. This one is the same length, both of them. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go down here. I'm gonna find a good spot for me to kind of yank on this panel. Come on. Thought I had a good spot. There you go. All around, just pop, 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 pop. It got clips all around. That's all it is. There you go. Some of them will break. Like that thing just went flying. Okay. So to go further, you're gonna have to disconnect all this, but this is the farthest I'm gonna go. Over here, you're gonna take this off, the green one's on the top. It pops forward, pops forward. You got a couple of connectors, but we're not doing that. We only getting to this little guy right over here, to this connector. Okay, to get to this connector, you have to do all that. This thing comes off. Now to take out the mirror, this is how the panel is gonna come off. To take out the mirror, we can just let it sit there. It's 1, 2, 3 bolts. Okay, now I am just gonna go in here. 1 bolt, 2 bolt, and 3 bolt. After that, I can just grab this mirror, this little latch here, and this whole thing should just come out just like that. And that is how we're gonna remove this side mirror. And this is heated. So anyways, we gotta wait for the new part. So we got in the mirror here on part number. Hopefully it's correct. I'm not even sure yet. Can't rely on them parts, people. So it does come with the back cover. We're gonna put that to the side. Give him all the information he needed. It's heated, power, everything. So the connector. I don't even know what's going on here. Okay, this is how like it's plugged in there. Okay, the connector looks good, and it's a little short compared to the other one, but it looks fine. So everything stays there. So we are gonna put this right through, just like that. Let's take a look. Let's bring our light this way now. So I'm gonna put the connector through this little hole, and I don't even think the connector is gonna reach the connector doesn't reach. For what reason, I don't know. That's shitty right there. That's really lame. All right, maybe I'm gonna bring that connector up, but what I'm gonna do is, for now, I am gonna just put one bolt in here, and I'm gonna just let it sit there so it doesn't drop. Okay, I made a mistake. Okay, not a mistake, I just forgot to take something out. So it's gonna make threads there. So the problem now is this little guy. I'm gonna go get a tool. Okay, I got this thing connected. Not the best way, but the parts guy said he doesn't have another one. Don't know why. It's small, so we're just gonna leave it like that for now. That's 2. And that is 3. Okay, just want to make sure the mirror is sitting properly. Good. Now we're just gonna lift this whole thing up. The whole thing goes in, and to put this panel in, you gotta have to kind of go in here. Something's bothering us. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I have to kind of undo some of the wiring so this harness can kind of travel right through that little area. So now we're gonna pick this up. It should be very simple for me to get this in the spot unless something else is bothering me now. There you go. And this whole thing is kind of disastrous because of the parts guy. I never trust these parts people. Okay, so I'm gonna get this on and then we'll put the screws in. Okay, that is in. Next I'm gonna get, come on. I thought that would reach in there. So we're gonna get that little screw in there. So you gotta kind of bang on this panel to get it back on. And there we have it. I'm gonna close that up. We need the other screw, which goes right over here. And we're gonna close that up. Perfect. Okay, we close that up. We need to put this in right over here. That should kind of click right in. I'm working with the one hand, guys, so you should be able to do it. And then get this little guy in right over here. Okay, I'm gonna do this with 2 hands now. So this thing should just kind of clip right in and bang on it. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys on the next one. So 1, 2, the whole thing comes off and pop this off. So the last thing is this little cover here. So if you got your old one, great. You could put that one on instead of this one. But if you don't, then it's gonna be uncolored. So this is gonna go into these little holes right down there. Usually I start off on the bottom here, so this little notches can kind of sit in there. So this sits in there. Let's line them one more time. There you go. And the top end just clicks right in. And that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. One more thing you want to try. Before you do all that, before you even close your panel, you know, I assume it's going to be working. You want to put this on the left side, put the key on accessory. I got the key on, and try the mirror. It's working great. So you don't want to put the whole thing back together and then your mirror's not working. So thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one.